Diolch, Mr. Robeson, for borrowing your bass notes to those valley men that marched, half empty, half hopeful that someone would hear them sing. You swept in, one river into another. Your voice, deep tone, deep as coal, is still remembered in the miners' old homes. Those slim streets, smoke and slate, the mountains dark and bold, cold, thunder knows of you, rumbles of you. Diolch, Mr. Robeson, you know of pain, son of escaped slave, son of God and the good words, man of law, right and wrong, man of sport and stage, man of song. Sing on, songs of freedom. Stir us in the chilling thrill of low sound, underground. Carry us into light, 1,000 heavy souls vibrating on your throat. Into sky, we are together, we are alive, and this life is brighter for everything you gave it. This life is brighter for everything you gave it.